What's up? So here we are another day, and totally different. I'm not even working on 4 wheels right now, working on 2 wheels. Simply haven't used this bad boy in about 3 months because it needed chain, sprockets, front tire, battery, all kinds of shit. Now that income tax season is starting to slow down a little bit and I've got my return with some money saved up, time to put all that shit on it. And the #1 killer of bikes when you leave them parked for a while is fucking gas. I noticed that my fuel pump won't even prime, and I'm just hoping that it hasn't sucked up all the shellac that's deposited at the bottom and fried it, because in case you haven't figured out what a fuel pump goes for on these bikes, man, they're not cheap. So this is what I'll be doing today, taking the fuel pump out and see if I can get it to run, see if I can get it to work. I've got the new chain and sprocket put on, the new battery put on, so let's get her done. And she definitely needs a wash, but that's no biggie. Alright, so we are back. I paid a visit to my local Suzuki store to pick up some things that the Suzuki was needed. One of the ones that really concerned me is that my bike wasn't priming, and one of the master techs over there did like a hard wire to my pump, and it was working great, so I'm hoping that it was just the battery. This is where she's at right now, but here's the list of some of the things that I got. Brand new battery, gel, that's always epic. Oil change, hadn't changed it in a while. That's that full synthetic, the good shit. Yeah, freaking 15 bucks a quart, gets a little pricey. Here's the fuel pump. It's good. A couple of tubes for my kids' dirt bikes. Some spark plugs. Those things were 9 bucks a pop. And some treatment, just because I haven't ran it in a little bit. So let's get all this put on there. I don't have a stand for my GoPro. I really wish I could sit it there and do like one of those fast-paced deals, but I can't. So here's the tire. Here's the Battle Axe. Pretty good tire. I mean, it takes a while to get sticky, and it's not something I would use for aggression or be shit in the stick, but definitely something that'll give you quite a bit of miles, and it's pretty decent. But nothing like a brand new front tire. So let's get it on there and get this bike going, get it washed, and start putting some miles on her, because I have neglected her for that bike. I apologize, my wife. Anyways, my mascot. Let's get her done. Yes, here she is, finally all nice, washed and clean. Brand new front tire, brand new rear tire, brand new synthetic oil, brand new K&N oil filter, brand new K&N air filter, brand new chain and sprocket kit. Thank you Vortec for hooking it up. Red, just thought I'd compliment it because of all my boats. What else? Brand new spark plugs. Those are a pain in the ass to put on. And I want to take her for a first drive, but it's forecasted to rain. I don't have any of my gear, so she's gonna have to sit here for a day. Tragic, because I can't wait to get on her. But man, she looks so nice. She was real dirty, and it's amazing what a little clean can give her. Crank her up, give you a little taste of what she sounds like. She doesn't have an exhaust on right now because the can that was on it, the little lip on the outside, the rivets are coming off, and I didn't want that to fly off, so I took it off. It kind of sounds like shit, or most would argue that it sounds like a true sports bike. At least people can hear me when I'm coming down the road. F1 light for some reason, I don't know. Man, it had been too long. 3 months is too long for this bad boy to just be chilling in the garage. Pobrecita. I'm gonna freaking put some miles on her tomorrow. Come to think about it, I don't have a license plate. Shit. Fuck it. Man, that's just at 4,000 RPMs. Sweet.